7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations between 1 and 3 inches and ice accumulations around 0.2 of an inch. Where? Portions of northeast Georgia, Piedmont, and western North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina. When? From 7 a.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts: snow and ice accumulations will make many roads treacherous and impassable. The weight of the snow and ice on tree limbs and power lines could produce scattered outages. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on the situation. Slow down and use caution while traveling. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations up to 1 inch and ice accumulations between 1/10 and 3/10 of an inch. Where? Portions of northeast Georgia, Piedmont, North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina. When? From 7 a.m. Friday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts: snow and ice accumulations will make many roads treacherous and impassable. The weight of the snow and ice on tree limbs and power lines could produce numerous outages. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on the situation. Slow down and use caution while traveling. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Mooresville area, including Charlotte. Precipitation is expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations range from a highest along north of I-85. Total ice accumulations of a tenth to...
Okay, so this newly issued winter storm warning in the form of 2 tone outs from GSP, as in 2 times that both WXL70 and KJY85 had toned the winter storm warnings. And as for what GSP issued, this their winter storm warning that goes all about GSP's county area, from here to here and here to here, just about everywhere around GSP's territory is where they have their winter storm warning. And this as part of an upgrade to their previous winter storm watch, which, like this warning, they also have for their entire county area. Now, as for why GSP, at least for WXL70 and KJY85, had toned this 2 times because, well, was because, I had said that this winter storm warning has all GSP's county area, but they also have this winter storm warning split into areas. And in this case, WXL70 and KJY85 toning for this one and this one. Now, this one they didn't do, understandably, since neither of them have the counties for this one, but this and this that they have for this winter storm warning. But yeah, this newly issued winter storm warning. Oh, and as far as my collection of weather radios as I have here, as far as my collection goes with being able to receive this unusual alert of mine, depending on the radio, chances are they may have gotten a winter storm warning before, or they never have up until now. Now, for this radio though, my RadioShack 12-254, in which you not only see a lot on my channel, but also in videos, I've already been using this radio for the past 3 winter storm warnings within this month. And as a matter of fact, I actually got one just minutes ago. I have a video over here, if you want to see that. But as for any other weather radio here, excluding that one, I may have either gotten a winter storm warning once, or I never have at all. And as for any of the radios that did get a winter storm warning on previously, it was this, and this that got a winter storm warning before, and specifically, what would be nearly 3 years ago by the time of recording this, that being January 2022, which I have a video over here of. And I can't forget the one time that I got an even more rare ice storm warning on the same day I got that winter storm warning in January 2022. But where I use that, and that for a winter storm warning as part of a winter event that was going on then. And up until now, I've never gotten a winter storm warning since. I mean, even with this radio, if it wasn't for this year and the past winter storm warnings I've gotten on this radio, that'd say it'd be 3 years that I've gotten a toned winter storm warning at all, even on this radio, and really just generally. So, just not only a long time that I've gotten a winter storm warning on my desktop and handheld radios here, but also just a winter storm warning, well, my first winter storm warning in nearly 3 years. But yeah, this new winter storm warning on all of my radios here, well, excluding this one since I don't have it on. Oh, would you look at that? This one just expired the winter storm warning for some reason. It does that, but yeah. This newly issued winter storm warning across all of my radios I have here. And as a matter of fact, with this winter storm warning being in place for the next 2 days from now, whatever this side of the Carolinas and northeastern Georgia is going to get for winter weather, they're going to